How to hide friends on Snapchat. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easy method to hide friends on Snapchat and maintain more privacy on Snapchat. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will know how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure your app is up to date. If not, go and open Play Store or App Store depending upon your mobile device and then search for Snapchat using the search bar. Once it opens, you will see update button next to the app if your app is not up to date. Just need to tap on update button and update your app so that you can enjoy all the latest features and remove the glitches and bugs from the app. I have already updated my app so there is no any update button. Now let's tap on open button to get access to the app. Once the app get up to date and you open it, you have to simply select the chat section to hide friends on Snapchat. For that, tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see all the lists of your friends on Snapchat. So you need to search for that particular friend that you want to hide on Snapchat. Once you open it and search for them, you have to simply tap and hold their profile. Now on this box, you need to select chat and notification settings. Now at the top only you will see the option to clear from chat feed. Simply tap on it. So this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So once you tap on clear, as you can see that those friends has already been hidden from Snapchat. If you want to again contact them, then you can search them using the search icon at the top left corner of the screen and open their chat. So in this way you can easily chat with them again. So this is how we easily hide friends on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.